Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Limje from Shilpi Design Team. Today we'll learn to make alcohol ink book journal. So here I have taken a journal and on the back side, sides, edges I have colored it white. You can use chalk pen, acrylic ink, white acrylic color. And on the front page, I have stuck Yopo paper, which is from Shilpi brand. I'm using some resin frames and resin corners, some alcohol ink and blending medium, some stencil of your choice, modeling paste and lacquer spray to varnish our alcohol ink, and clear RTV palette knife. And here I'm using a Yupo paper cut out of in a in a frame shape, some printout, and I have cut it. Here I'm using little bit of blending medium. You can also use isopropyl alcohol. So before starting, make sure that you cover the rest of the book with the plastic or any butter paper so that the alcohol ink doesn't seep. Overall, the combination is little bit of olive browns and orange. So here I'm using dry acorn, tangerine and Sarvana from Shilpi brand. So make sure that overall you create a very light subtle background. It should not be too dark because the other elements which we are going to apply on it should get enhanced with the should create a contrast and should get enhanced overall. So with the help of hair dryer and or air pump, I'm covering all the edges. Now I'm using little bit of gold mixative to give a light shimmer on the book. Make sure that all the edges are covered with alcohol ink. Now after drying, I'm using a pencil, the clean rag. I'm going to apply a little bit of rubbing alcohol and clean the edges, so it will create from the stencil, so it will create a nice design. Make sure that you do at the places where you're not going to put any element on it. Now after drying, we need to seal this overall work, so I'm using a lacquer spray. You have to apply 2 coats, and one coat after half an hour, another coat, so that you seal your work nicely. Now I'm using a waste Yupo paper, and with the help of modeling paste and a stencil of your choice, I'm going to apply modeling paste to give a nice embossed raised effect. So make sure that you apply it all modeling paste very nicely so that all the it gets embossed nicely. After drying, I have applied the gold foil glue, and I'm using a copper foil. Now press it gently and nicely so that overall the embossed effect which you have done is visible. Same way I have done little bit of with the help of the stencil. I have applied gold leaf and applying gold copper foil on it. Once it is dried, just brush off the excess copper foil. Now once this is dried, we will apply some color alcohol ink. So I'm using blending medium, little bit of browns, grays, which to overall give a nice rustic burnt look, and make sure that you overall the embossed effect which is created is enhanced and it's nicely visible. Now same way I will work with the resin embellishment corners also. So again I'm using little bit of gray and little bit of orange shade to give a nice rustic edges, rustic look to it. After once it is dried, you can also use a antique gold or a copper dry brushing on it to enhance it. That is optional. Once these are dried, now I am sticking all the corners all over. So same way I have colored the frame with the black and little bit of orange to give a nice burnt look, and I have cut the embossed which we have created and stick it with the frame to create a background. So now I am using a clear RTV to give a pop-up kind of a look. You can also use silicone glue gun. You can also use glue gun to give a raised effect. So apply it nicely all over and stick it. Gently press it. Now same with the resin embellishment, I have done the same effect which I did for the frame, and inside I have stuck the image and covered it with the resin, or you can also use a glitzy gel or a glossy accent and stick it with the help of clear RTV. Now I am sticking the decoupage paper using Fevicol. I have some white die cut sheet, so I am going to stick this also to complete my overall look. So place it and stick it using Fevicol. So I have made my journal and stuck it on the Yupo paper with the which is colored in the same way which we have done in the background, and I am sticking it using clear RTV. So in this way our alcohol ink mixed media journal cover, book cover is done. I hope you enjoyed and learned many techniques in this.